Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about 3 things that you should absolutely do or not do with your money. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So make sure you do that. And now let's get right into the video and the 3 things that you should do or should not do with your money. So one of the things that you can do is actually make money to make more money. That's so important. I always talk about things like that, like for instance building an email list. If you're doing affiliate marketing, basically that's the only thing that you're going to spend money on, at least at the beginning. After a while, yes, you could get some other people to help you out and so on, so you're going to have to spend more money. But at the beginning, the only thing that you're going to have to spend money on is building an email list. And if you want to do that, I have a link in the description which you can do that with. So that is how you're going to make more money, because if you're not ready to spend a single dime on actually making money in the end, it's going to be extremely hard to actually get some proper income. You might be able to generate 10 bucks here and there, but to actually make a proper income, it's going to be a lot harder. And I've got a ton of other videos like explaining exactly how to do that, so you can check these out. I believe it's like the highlighted video right now, so you can check that out if you want to. So that's the very first thing. Actually spend money. Well, don't just spend money, actually use your money to make more money. Use it as a tool instead of just spending it on so many things, because that's the next thing. Don't spend money on dumb things. And these things can include like Starbucks, a car you can't afford, drinks and all that stuff. And when I say car you can't afford, yes, a lot of people need a car to go from point A to point B, to go to your work or whatever it may be, but don't buy an expensive BMW if you can't afford it. There's a ton of rich people that go around driving Lamborghinis and Ferraris and all that stuff, and that's all good. But these people can actually afford it easily. If you're buying a BMW and you're struggling to make payments to do that, then just sell that car, stop it, and just don't do that. Same thing if you're going out and eating out all the time, you're going to spend thousands of dollars just trying to eat outside, and when you realize that, you're going to realize that you're spending a ton of money. So maybe eat inside. Same goes for drinks and going out. Same goes for Starbucks. That thing is expensive. Having a coffee outside is really expensive. So if you can afford it and you're making 10 grand a month, awesome. But if you're not, if you're making $1,000 a month or 2,000, then don't go out to have Starbucks every day. Don't go out to have eat out or drink all the time with your friends, because that is going to kill you, because you won't be able to spend the money to make more money. The next point is don't try to look rich. So many people are trying to look rich. You see them on Instagram and they spend a ton of money to be able to take a photo with a private jet, to take some photos with cars and all that stuff. And the more you realize this, the real rich people, they don't show off that they have money. They don't pretend to have all these things they don't have. If they do have them, they usually just use it and that's it. But they don't try to look rich, and that's the worst thing that you can do, because you're going to spend so much money trying to look rich instead of trying to become rich. So that's very important. But the most important one of all of these, I believe, is don't spend the money on dumb things. Well, obviously, you want to make more money, like you want to be able to make more money, but you won't be able to do that if you're just spending stuff like money on everything that you can. So, with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.